So Project Malmo continues. I did a little bit of work today. I'll show you what I've done, cutting out some rust and getting things prepared for new panels. So underneath here I cut out that old panel, cleaned up around the back, cleaned up this section. It's actually not bad, but it's a bit thin, so if I have to I might cut a whole new strip of metal and weld that in. Underneath here still needs to be cleaned up a bit more. On the back you can see some of the little rust holes, so that panel is going to have to be replaced. This lower section is pretty good, so I hopefully don't have to do anything to that. This is a problem area. You can see how rusted this was. I've cleaned that up a lot. There's the inner and outer panels here. The inner one is pretty rusted. I might have to put a new plate in there, and obviously I'm going to put a plate across here, weld that in. And underneath here I've cleaned up the bottom inner sill, which is much better than it was before. But the A panel, I've discovered some little holes here, so that's pretty rusty, so I might have to actually replace the whole A panel, which is not expensive but just a pain to do. And here there's some pitting here, so I'll see how I go. I might be able to actually lead load it and fill it up, patch it. And I might try Dave Jaguar's idea of actually lead loading this seam as well to stop water getting in there and exacerbating the rust. But yeah, if I had just designed them the right way first, it would have saved us all the trouble. See you next time.